Welcome back to what is hopefully the last episode on the Focus ST3. Let's get into it. So, in this episode we've got an MOT booked. All the little jobs are done now. Everything seems to be going well. We're going to take it down to the MOT centre, chuck a couple of tyres on it, get an MOT on it and get some miles on it. But first, let's give it a quick wash. Right, it rained yesterday, so I couldn't finish this off. But now I've just been round it with the mop, then gone round again and waxed it all. I'm sweating like a... I can't say that on YouTube, can I? But anyway, check this out. So I'd say that's come up pretty well. It's looking lovely and shiny. That's all it needed. A quick cut back with a mop. And then a good old wax. That's come out lovely. Let's go and get an MOT. Right, okay, this is the first drive of the Focus ST. First official drive out on the road. So, start her up. We are on our way to get an MOT. Let's do it. Okay, we're out on the open road. Feels quite nice to drive, quite quiet. Don't want to put my foot down too much just yet. Gotta get it to warm up a bit first. Obviously this hasn't been driven for best part of a year. This has been sitting around for. So far, it's not too bad. I've always been into my German cars, and this doesn't drive like a German car at all. Right, I've got a clear road. One thing I am noticing, I am getting a bit of judder through the brake pedal. Hoping that is just because the discs are quite rusty, got a lot of surface rust where it's been sitting about. If not, then we'll be doing a set of brakes on it. Okay guys, here we are, just pulling up for the MOT and a couple of tyres. Let's do it. The question is, did it pass an MOT? Of course it did, come on. Get in there. One MOT valid till July next year. I've got one, you see there, one advisory on there, which was the brake pipes being corroded, which they're not. They've got this like plastic coating on them that protects them, and that is why he's advised it. That was also on the previous MOT as an advisory, but nevertheless, we got an MOT, guys. Right, I've now done a couple 100 miles in this, and I'm still getting the brake judder on the pedal. So I'm going to do new discs and pads just on the front for the time being, see how we get on with that. If I have to do the rears as well, we'll do the rears as well. So yeah, let's crack on and get these discs and pads changed. here's my box of goodies here. So on the back of the discs, look at that. So it's all quite scored along there, and the corrosion on it, it's crazy. I mean, that has sat there for a year, so the other disc's the same. Those marks, that's where I was hitting it with a hammer to get it off. But yeah, the other disc is the same. I am kind of half tempted to do the rear brakes as well, but it is stopping as it should. And yeah, like I say, no judder, it's braking lovely. Onwards and upwards! In other news, you may notice a lack of Focus ST3 on my driveway. Ta-da! And that is because it's gone on a little holiday to the paint shop. So I've taken the Focus ST3 down to the paint shop. Same guy who painted me E21, RG Motorworks. Brilliant they are, check them out. So they're going to do that last little bit on the passenger wing for me. And also on the driver's door, I noticed there was some imperfections in it. It has been painted before by the looks of it, and I want this to be a proper mint ST3, so he's going to do that while it was there. When it comes back, I'll show you the results. Stay tuned. Right, the Focus ST is back from paint and looking pretty awesome. So look at that factory finish, it's gleaming. So I've had the driver's door painted, and obviously that's been blown into that one. And we've had that passenger wing done where the dent was, so that's all gone. Wouldn't even be able to tell. Just looking good. Looking lovely and shiny. So as you've seen in the other ones, interior all clean, looking lovely. All cleaned up, all spruced up, looking lovely. So there it is, the finished product. Really, really happy with how that's come out. It's looking great. So that's everything done. We've had paint done, we've done tyres, MOT, obviously all the electrical work, we've done the mirror, the door actuator. That's everything, brakes. So this car now wants for nothing. Really pleased with how it's turned out. It's mint, it's proper lovely. So I think the only thing left to do really is go and enjoy it. One Focus ST, all complete. I hope you've enjoyed watching the Focus series as much as I have making it. If you want to see more like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.